Hi guys, today we're going to fix a SLK 230 with the faulty retractable seat belt. See, it's not working properly even on the passenger side. So we'll do this one first. First, there are 3 screws on the cover. We're just going to remove there, but if you see, there should be a screw in there, but it's already gone. So I think there's someone who already fixed it previously. Then we have an 8mm or 7mm bolt. So we're just going to remove that. Then this one should be removed also, the one on the seat. It's 17mm bolt, so you can remove it from the cover because the cover is already been removed, so it's already belt that's stopping it. So here we go, the screws are removed and the bolts, and this is the belt. So we just pull it out like this. Huh? Pull it out like that. This one. So it's already removed. So if we noticed that it looks like there's a crack, but it's just a gap. Oh no, or it's really a crack. It looks like a gap right there. Put that there. And then we're going to remove this one, maybe. But this one first, the cover on the side. Right here, you can hold the chair for your back, and then just undo this one. Okay, there. Then this one. Okay. So now you can see the mechanism right there. Just need to remove the bolt from there and find out what's the problem. This one, maybe it just needs some lubricating, or let's check. So on removing it, just need to remove the negative terminal first on the battery, then disconnect this one, the airbag, I think. Says looks like a mechanism for a seat belt. So this is what happened. It won't retract normally. It's like stuck from the inside. So I'm just going to remove this lock, this cover, so I can see what's happening inside. Okay. So as we can see, there's no problem on this side. There's a sensor. It's on this side where there's the inertial ball. It locks. See, if I put my finger in it and pull it down, it moves freely. See, so we had to make some adjustment to this one, or maybe lubricate it, this stick. Just for now, if I'm going to pull it, see, it moves freely. So this just need some lubrication. This one, I'll just remove it. So lubricate the hinge, right there. Lubricate the hinge. See, it has a hinge there. Just need some lubrication. So it moves freely right there. Smooth. See. Then put it back up again. There. And let's works fine now. For some reason, inertia acceptable. Just need some lubrication. So I guess the other side is the same. So we're ready for installation now. This one. We'll install it. So here we go. We test it already. We put it back together, and, but not the cover yet. So see, it retracts smoothly. Then we'll try the inertia switch. Oh, there you go. If you put it in there, then there. See? Okay. The most important is we resolve the stock retractable zipper. So here we go. We resolved the sticking retractable thing. Try to put it there. Seat belt, and try to put a tension in it. There. So it works. There. Works. Okay. So just like what we did before, or when we removed, that's only a vice versa. where we put it all back. 8mm screw, 3 Phillips. Then we have to remove this one, the bolt from the end of the seatbelt, so you can pull the cover off. You can take it out, then remove these side covers and this one, and you're going to see the 17mm bolt there where the retractable mechanism holding on. Then you can remove the plug the sensor on that one, and then this one, there's 17mm bolt here on the inside, so you can take it all out, the whole assembly with the belt. So that's what I'm going to do on the same side, passenger side. It's same procedure, same mechanism.